Welcome back to Stuff I Do. I decided to buy a sunset lamp. It looked pretty interesting. I wanted to experiment with this as an accent light for my other channel. Right off the bat, this box looks a lot smaller than it looked on the website. Let's get into opening it. And I'm also going to light up this light to show you how the effect of the light is. Pretty shabby box if you ask me. This is the base of the light. The light itself, and it comes with a central rod or a stand. Let's chuck this aside. Okay, it's an extendable rod. Let's get this together and then I'm going to light it up and I'm going to show you and let us see what effect it gives. It was pretty cheap in price, so I don't have high expectations of it. Oh, a closer look at the light itself. Let's keep this aside. I found something interesting in the packaging. It comes with a set of gels. There's a yellow colored gel, a reddish colored gel, and there is a rainbow colored gel. Let's see how we can use these gels. Okay, this back pops out. This is getting interesting. This light, I believe, is powered by a single 3-watt LED. I hope I don't break this. Okay, there you go. Okay, this is pretty interesting. So the front of this light is just a solid plastic half globe, transparent. This one sits in here, and then I believe we can use different colored gels. So they give you 3 extra gels besides the one which is already inside. An LED here, very flimsy wiring, but at 500 rupees you can't really complain. Let's fire up this little boy and see what the effect is. Okay, let's switch on this light for the first time. Well, coming on, it looks like a little bit of an orange color, perfect circle. The edges seem to be a little bit of a different color, which gives a nice rim. Basically, if you move the light back, the circle gets bigger. If you move it closer, it gets smaller. I'm also going to try out all the other gels which come with this package and show you what the effect is. The other color. Well, I don't find much of a difference between this one and the previous color. There you go. One thing to note is that I found the gels very finicky to change, and I don't think personally I'll be changing them too often, because anyways the effect seems to be very similar between all the gels. Well, I hope you liked that little unboxing and demo, and if you did, do not forget to click the like button and also subscribe.